Hi guys, welcome back to GearVest. Today we are going to talk about the POCO F2 Pro, which is just released yesterday. This is a hot topic and we definitely want to catch up with the traffic. So this is a 5G version, which is very standard. I know it's very up to date, but 5G version is definitely a must in the very near future. This is called F2 Pro. I don't know. Is there a standard version? Haven't seen it. I guess the POCO system just want to give us a very decent upgrade from the F1, X2, and F2 Pro. So we're going to take a look at this cell phone. So the size is still the same, and a glass front and glass back, nothing fancy about it. It comes with multiple colors and you can choose for your own preference. And definitely the most important thing that you can notice on the cell phone is the camera. For sure, the camera gives you a 64 MP plus 13 MP plus 5 MP plus 2 MP. I'm not talking about the cost yet, but this is definitely a very cost-efficient combination. And this is a rare camera. The thing that makes me laugh all day long is the front camera. So I haven't seen this for a while, but I know it's been on the market for a couple of years. But it's actually a little bit funny when you see it. So this is the home screen and very easy to light up. Gives you the fingerprint, which is very standard Xiaomi thing. So click on this. Did you see this popping up? So this is the front camera. And I don't know why they give you this. And what a good guess would be they wanted to save a little bit room on the front, like the iPhone haven't get rid of those frame on top yet. So this is one of the cool version, and actually just remind me of the Honor cell phone about 2 years ago. They have a flip over version. When you want to take a selfie, it just pop out and bend over. That's something new. That was something new to me, but I never had that cell phone before. So about the camera, it's the rear and it's a front, and it's about the shooting videos. So this one, as well as a Sony television, it gives a 8K. Well, that kind of concept. If a television is giving customer a much better experience versus a 4K, then definitely your day-to-day carry around cell phone will catch up. So this one allows you to watch with the same experience from the TV as well as on your cell phone. Other than those, by the end of the day, this is still a cell phone, so we are going to take a look at all those numbers. So this one has the Qualcomm SM8250 Snapdragon 865 and Android 10 and MIUI 11 system, which is very standard as well. So this is actually quite light, not as that heavy, but one of the selling point is about playing games. So the battery has been upgraded as well, and the battery allows you to play video game for 13 hours. My male friends were very curious and they played on this cell phone versus the iPhone and some other phones for like 40 minutes, and it actually saves you a little bit battery and gives you a little bit cool down experience. As well as the Xiaomi system, this one gives you the LiquidCool system. The cell phone is that it costs you $499. No matter where you at, we can definitely ship this over to you on a very fast basis. So this is pretty much the information I want to mention today. I was actually checking on the page and I saw the Mi Band 4, which has a very decent discount off. Don't ask me why this cute thing is sitting next to me. I just find it very, very funny to have it around for all day today. So thank you guys for watching and have a good one. Take care. Bye.